Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my spicy fried chicken legs. First of all, I'm going to clean up my chicken leg because you know on chicken you've got some little hairs. So I'm gonna just clean this off and then I'm gonna wash it with my vinegar. I'll be using this one to wash my chicken. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for. So now I've cut off all the fats and stuff off the meat. So I'm just gonna wash it now with the vinegar. So now the legs are clean. These are the seasoning I'm going to be using. I'll be using some garlic powder. I'll be using some chicken seasoning. Bit of paprika. Black pepper. Little seasonal. My hot pepper sauce. And my Maggie. You got to use small amounts because these seasoning are very salt. So I'll show you what I do. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my cherry. It's all seasoned. I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for about 1 hour or hour and a half and come back. Added some milk, half cup of milk in this bowl. I've beaten 2 eggs. And this is my flour. I've seasoned it with the same seasoning that I used to season my chicken. Because I'm doing spicy chicken legs, I'm gonna add some hot pepper sauce in it to get the spice. So now I'm gonna pour in my oil. When you're doing fried chicken, you're gonna put a lot of oil so your chicken can soak properly. I'll show you how it's done. You notice I've added 3 pegs of garlic and 2 small scotch bonnet pepper. Because the garlic give it flavor and the scotch bonnet I need it a bit hot. So I'll show you how I do my fry. So I've turned the fire on medium heat. As you can see it's ready. I've mixed in the seasoning in my flour. So this is how I do it. I put it in my milk with my hot pepper sauce. Then my egg. Make sure it's completely covered. Then I'm going to dip it in my oil. So after 5 minutes of frying, I'm just going to cover the pot so it can soak through. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn them around. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cover them. So that's the finishing touch, guys. And if you notice, I put it on a piece of napkin
so that it can soak in the oil. I'm gonna dive in now.